Here's the car. Mitsubishi Eclipse 2003, 2.4 inline 4. Let's hope the video angle is right today. Yesterday when I tried recording, I was recording the roof of the car only. And now let's focus on driving. 300 GX is a nice car. And it's still colors of Ooh, Miata. Hopefully today it will be everything. Okay, I feel good. Okay, here is my seat belt. There is my recording camera angle. Nishtu on the pile Bhavanlai namaste. There's some more protect me, protect my ass. Music, no, I don't want any copyright. Let the engine warm up a little bit. What the heck? Oh, my bad. Let's go reverse. We're out of here. Oh shit. Not the best idea is a camera drive, no, but anything for a video. I will sacrifice my driving skills for the video. Go Tesla, go. Road close again. Shit. So I'm taking a right from top there. Maserati is a SUV, not the sports car. Nice. That's the GoPro headquarters, and above that, that's my college. Oh shit. Red light. Tesla charging station. I don't know what else to speak today. Let's just say the cars around the NPCs option material. Why? All three red lights. Here we are, college entry. Let the old man go first. This is our gym. And now I need to find my friend Simon. इसको मजाले रूल फॉलो गरौँ न. Racing at this part. Let me park on this side. Okay. Nicely done. Let me show you the walk around of the car. Oh shit. This goofy ass looking hat. See how the car looks. I have no idea why is the ticking sound. Maybe timing bit. And yeah, this is how the car looks. Sex. Okay, let me turn off the camera. And yeah, this is our college building. This is the bus stop. That's all I want to say. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a sexy day.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
Small change of plans. I need to find Simon, and he's somewhere around in parking lot. I don't know where. Okay. Oh, I think I know where he is. We'll just go wild. In that meantime, here will be small tour of our college surroundings. Okay, here is a stop sign. Thank you. That's not how we drive through a stop sign, but let's ignore it for now. Don't take driving lessons from me. I think this is the one he said. This is only for staff. Did I hit a curb? Building 16. This is 14, 15. This should be 16. Yes. Now I have to wait here. Oh no, let's just park. This is staff parking, but for a while, no worries. तपाईँलाई कस्तो लागिरहेको छ मेरो भ्लगमा आउँदा तपाईँलाई कस्तो लागिरहेछ मेरो भ्लगमा आउँदा भने Let me turn this off.